Hello, everyone. Welcome to this Akasha Yoga Academy Pranayama practice session today. My name is Devdas. I'm going to be taking you by the hand on a 10-minute journey into the power of feeling alive. Of course, you already are alive, so it shouldn't be too difficult. But in yoga, we have this focus on radiance and joy and presence, and we're going to look into it together. So let's get started. So we're going to start in standing today. And one of my favorite exercises to feel alive is just called shake it off. Just shake, bounce, twist, get everything moving. Get the wrists moving, get the neck moving, get the shoulders moving, get the everything moving, get the hips moving, get the knees moving, get the ankles moving, get everything moving. Excellent, excellent, excellent. And then we're going to do this very fun pranayama, which is a double inhalation through the nose while we tense the body, double exhalation out the mouth. So tense the body, double inhale. Relax the body, double exhale. This is a powerful, powerful method of playing with vitality. Double inhale, tense the body. Tense, tense, tense. Double exhale, relax. And really consciously relax. Let all the breath go. Let all the body go. Let all the tension go. Another time. Tense, 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 tense. Relax. And one more. Tense, tense, tense. Relax. We're going to do one more standing exercise that's a lot of fun. It's called washing machine, one of the greatest vitality exercises. Take your right hip, move it toward your left hand. Take your left hip, move it toward your right hand. Then speed up. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, and smile. Really get a smile on the face so that you get the energy up while the hips go shake, 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 shake. Bring a little vitality, awaken up the energy that's sleeping dormantly at the base of the spine. Really put your energy into it. And then slow it down, 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 slow it down. Stop. Close your eyes, put your palms forward, relax the body. Receive all the flood of energy that comes from this powerful technique. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. We'll move into a simple seated position. That can be on a chair, it doesn't have to be on the ground, whatever feels right for your body. And if you know some mudra that you like with your fingers, it's fine to do that. Feel your sit bones rooted into your cushion. Feel your spine nice and long and straight. And we're going to practice an ancient, beautiful yogic technique called ujjayi pranayama, the ocean breath. So it's a gentle constriction of the throat. It's like you're fogging a mirror. And it has this beautiful quality all the way through the inhale, all the way through the exhale. So first, let's do one with our mouth open, breathing out. Then turn around, breathe in. Keep the sound. Same thing with your mouth closed. Really try to make the sound. And if you're pregnant or you have high blood pressure, you can just continue with this nice, long, deep ujjayi inhale and exhale. Otherwise, for those that are willing to go on the adventure together, we're going to do ujjayi inhale. Hold the breath in for a moment. keep the body relaxed. Ujjayi exhale. Straight into the inhalation. Hold the breath. Ujjayi exhale. And just continue this on your own. Nice, smooth, even Ujjayi breath, not speeding up, not slowing down, and enjoying the pause. In the pause, keep the body nice and relaxed, and we'll practice this beautiful pranayama, which is Ujjayi inhale with this pause at the top, which should be magnetically drawing the energy upward, which should make us feel more vital, more alive, more present. Really long, deep, powerful, beautiful breaths on both the inhalation and on the exhalation. And if you're ever practicing pranayama and you find yourselves absolutely overcome by bliss and you just can't take it, you can always lay it to the side, just sit in the silence, be present, and see what unfolds. Otherwise, continue with this beautiful Ujjayi breath. And on the last few rounds here, let's just, if it feels comfortable for you, double the length of the hold so that it's really an even inhalation, an even hold, an even exhalation straight into the inhalation. And the next time that you exhale, just let that process come to a close and stay absolutely aware of what's unfolding moment by moment. Letting the breath just be natural, but aware of the inner presence, the vitality, the aliveness, the sense of I am. I exist, I'm here in this moment. And maybe the breath is very still and quiet. That's okay. This deep resting in the heart brings tremendous vitality into our life. And taking a moment just to bring your hands to heart center. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And thank you so much for being here together. I don't know how you feel, but I feel like I just had a cup of coffee, only it's much better than coffee. It's coming from inside, the natural vibration and the feeling of aliveness that can come from simple, powerful techniques. So join us back here on the mat again as we explore the ancient, powerful science of pranayama, the active play of the universal life force within our body, within our world, consciously coming together in the practice of pranayama. Thank you, thank you, thank you.